नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today practical session about miasmatic diagnosis in the complaints of the eye. So, in last lecture we discussed about psora miasm in complaints of the eye. In psora there is dryness, burning, itching, constant desire to rub. We can understand from these symptoms the presence of psoric miasm, and the sensation just like a sand like particle. So today we are going to discuss psychosis in the complaints of the eyes. In psychosis there is corneal incoordination. As we know about psychosis miasm, the keyword and criteria of psychosis is the incoordination. In any diseased condition, this incoordination is easily find out in eye trouble or any other diseased condition. So, cataracts, incoordination in the lens, retinoblastoma and other papillomas and glaucoma, tumors, tarsal tumors and styes, ptosis is psychosyphilitic. Ptosis is psychosyphilitic, not purely psychosis. So in psychosis, cataract, retinoblastoma, glaucoma, tumors, all these indicate the psychotic miasm. Now the characteristics: cataracts can be psychosyphilitic in that opacity of the lens is characterized by incoordination, but degenerative changes take place when the syphilitic miasm supervenes. Till that time, when syphilitic miasm not come in picture, then there is only the cataract. But when syphilitic miasm is come, then there is degenerative changes takes place. Photophobia may occur due to condylomata. Now the sensation, pain, dull, aching, modalities, aggravation from changes in weather and rain, syphilis, scaly red lids, structural changes and corneal ulceration. So the ulceration, degeneration, necrosis is the trademark of syphilitic miasm. So whenever we meet syphilitic complaint of eye disease, syphilitic miasm in eye complaints, there is the ulceration of the cornea, retinal detachment, degeneration. Characteristic: cataract and ulceration, paralytic weakness and changes in the lens and all refractory changes. So we have clearly understand what type of pathology produces each miasm. In eye there is only functional disturbance. In psychosis there is incoordination, cataract, fibroma, glaucoma, tumors, all these happen in psychotic miasm. And in syphilitic, ulceration, necrosis, degeneration are mostly indicated in the syphilitic miasms. Now the sensation is raw feeling in syphilitic miasm, and in psychotic, dull, aching pain. Now the modalities part of syphilitic is aggravation from warmth and night, amelioration from cold. And in the psychosis, changes in weather and rain means during cloudy weather, during wet weather, all psychotic troubles becomes increased. Now the tubercular granulations of the lids, hematoma in the eye, and all types of inflammation characterized by hemorrhage. Now the characteristics in tubercular miasm: changes in the lens, styes, photophobia, and aversion to artificial light. Now the sensation is redness with heat, hemorrhage from the eye. We can find in tubercular miasm. Whenever in any disease condition, if discharges are mixed with blood, then it indicates the presence of tubercular miasm. Now the modalities part is amelioration by warmth and by closing eyes. Thank you.